Testing, everybody, testing. 1, 2. We gotta move this real quick. Up there. How's everything? Can you see me? Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, and today I went to Trader Joe's on this hot summer day, and I did a food haul. So I'm basically just gonna show you what I got there. Some things are new, some things aren't, but I'm not allowed to film there or take pictures in there anymore. So if I'm gonna do a Trader Joe's video, it's gotta be done this way. All right, well, we gotta get to it because some things are gonna melt and I gotta put them in the freezer. Let's start out with the stuff I already have out of the bag. So we got some nice butter lettuce. They have a really nice selection of produce there. Not the cheapest, but vegan ranch crunch salad kit. We have some baby spinach. We got 2 things of tofu. This is a super firm tofu. It's great for cooking with. It's great for what I like to use it for, because I make tofu like pretty much on a daily basis, and I'll put it in salads or sandwiches or pizza or whatever. So we got our tofu. These are, I've never seen these before, so I checked out the ingredients. They look like they're vegan. Chili lime flavored rolled corn tortilla chips. So right there, a little hint of spice to them. So I haven't tried them. I don't know how spicy they are, but they look good. They kind of remind me a little bit of like the Takis. We have some vegan creamy dill and green goddess dressings. These aren't new. These have been there for a while, but just in case you haven't seen them, we got those. These are new. At least I haven't seen these before. Dill pickle mini falafel. I love falafel and I love pickles. So we'll have to try those out. I hope we got a focus going here, by the way. Broccoli florets, because I don't like the stems. So florets for the broccoli, either that or I'll buy a fresh bag of it, but I don't always use it right away. We have the oat milk. They call it oat beverage. It just doesn't sound good when you call it beverage or drink. It's oat milk, but in this case, it's oat beverage. It's good. And then we have these little mini ice cream cones. These little mini, they're tiny. So serving size is 6 cones. 2 servings per container. So you could have 6 of these for 1 serving, which would be 370 calories, if you were wondering. They also have these. I got to get these in the freezer, by the way, so you got to get through these. These oat non-dairy frozen dessert sandwiches, vanilla oat. I can already imagine how good these are going to be. I haven't tried them yet, but I imagine these are going to be pretty decent. Yeah, we got some more frozen stuff. Keep that frozen. I'm really digging this roasted corn. Of course, you could make your own, but it already comes pre-made like this. I usually throw it in my cast iron and cook it up. Maybe I'll put some salsa in there, tomatoes, onions, whatever. But they have this, and got a couple bags of those. These are also pretty good if you don't feel like preparing things and you want things to be easy and fast. Roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. Just throw them to a hot cast iron or non-stick skillet, and there you go. You got yourself some taters. Not new, but some people love it, some people don't. I happen to be one of the ones that love this vegan mac and cheese. I usually doctor it up a little bit, maybe some hot sauce and maybe, I don't know, some garlic powder, onion powder, something like that. But vegan mac, Trader Joe's, it's really good. You might like it, you might not. We got a few more bags to go here. This one ripped, this bag ripped. But we have some rosemary, so we can I gotta grow some rosemary in my hydroponic system. Roasted seaweed snack. My dogs love seaweed. I don't like it so much. Got some limes, cause you know, so I've been having watermelon like pretty much every day. I love watermelon, and I'll either squeeze lime juice or lemon juice or even orange over it. It just brings out more flavor. It's so good. And then it'll be chilled in the refrigerator. We have the everything but the bagel seasoning right here. This is really good. It's $1.89. It's worth it. I put it on pretty much everything. You can make some avocado toast, throw it on there. Make a hot pretzel, throw it on there instead of the salt. It's, you know, put it on the crust of my pizza. Cherry tomatoes, because I like to make my own sauce. You know, put some onion, tomatoes, throw them together on the cast iron. Boom, you got your own healthy sauce for like a pizza or something. Some of this stuff is just like blueberries, you know, super good, but I mean, I don't need to explain it. We have the organic baked tofu. If you don't want to bake your own, which you totally could, you can buy this. It's a little more expensive, but it's already flavored and baked for you just right. Could eat it right there out of the package or heat it up, throw it on a sandwich, whatever. I saw these, I don't know. I just wanted to try them. They're vegan, something new. It's called Giant Peruvian Inca corn snacks. So, and that's what they look like. You can see these are salted. Dawn of the Dead, in tribute to my favorite film director, George Romero. He died, I think it was 5 years ago today from when I'm filming this video. So I decided to wear the shirt, Dawn of the Dead. We have some Suja green celery juice. And we also have some, what is this? Cold pressed juice by Trader Joe's, just a green juice right there. When I was shopping, I was super duper thirsty. As soon as I got home, I chugged some water. We have avocado guacamole, avocado's number. I feel like there should be a one in there, number one, but no, avocado's number guacamole. If you don't feel like making your own, you got this. I just wanted to show you guys. I usually make my own. These are some really good crusts, and they're not bad. They're serving size is a fourth of the crust, 160 calories, and there's 2 in here. And they make a great pizza. You make your own sauce, put whatever on there, and you got some organic 2 pizza crusts. So I recommend these. They're pretty cool. And then we have some Japanese style fried rice with edamame tofu. Right there. Got a lot of protein now with the edamame and the tofu. And then these, I'm excited about these, brand new, non-dairy frozen dessert, vegan oat bars, Fudgesicles. I used to pig out on these when I was a kid, the non-vegan ones when I was a little kid. But these were one of my favorite things to eat, and I would eat as many as I could, which if it was up to my mom, it wouldn't be that many. But here we are. Oat bars, vegan Fudgesicles by Trader Joe's. The vegan caramelized onion dip, I have tried that before, and it's super good, by the way. You got your chips, dip your chips in there. We also got some vegan sour cream alternative. This is a Trader Joe's version, and I have not tried this before. We have some vegan cream cheese. This is also really, really good cream cheese. I still think for me, it's the Tofutti is the best. This might be a Tofutti, making this, I don't know, but this is really good. I grabbed this because it just looked really good and I was thirsty and I wanted a smoothie, but we just got a fruit blend. You can turn that right into a smoothie right there if you wanted. This is a little different than the other corn I showed you, this roasted one. This is the organic super sweet corn. Same thing as the others, I make them all the same. We have the pesto, which this is really good. And you know what I've done before is I put it on this pizza crust and made like a pesto pizza. And what do we have here? We have some pico de gallo salsa. And then we have this vegan buffalo dip. Vegan buffalo dip. I love it when that says vegan, 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 vegan. They have so many things, Trader Joe's now, that are vegan. You know, I still say look at everything anyway, but I'm glad they're transitioning over to making things vegan and say vegan right on them. Ugh. And by the way, before I forget, I also grabbed a nice watermelon because I love watermelon. As I said at the beginning of the video, I've always got watermelon cut up in the refrigerator to snack on. Okay, so this is new. This is called, we got the vegan brioche loaf. Brioche. Vegan brioche. You guys thought I didn't know what I was saying. Anyway, we got some thick slices of brioche right here. You know, I'm thinking French toast, or maybe even a nice thick summer peanut butter and jelly Maybe banana too on there. What do you think? And then these right here, I mean, we got enough, like we got enough of these dips. I mean, we got the sour cream, we got this, the caramelized onion here, but look at this, organic corn chip dippers. These are kind of like Fritos. Dog treats for the dogs. Sometimes when I'm really hungry, I'll sneak one of the, no, I'm just kidding, but my dogs love these. And so they got 2 boxes of them. Dog treats. We got some nutritional yeast. If you're vegan, you already know. Sweet potatoes, mainly for my dogs. They love sweet potatoes. I'll make one usually once a day and just cook it till it's, and then cool it off and then break it up and put it in their food. They'll get 1 per day and they love it. And Medjool dates, because I've been using a lot of dates lately for my smoothies, and if I make that ceremonial cacao, which I showed in one of my recent videos. Other than that, we got some avocado, and now I got to put stuff in the freezer. So that is my food haul from Trader Joe's. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Just comment below, even put an emoji down there. It makes the algorithm think that the video is, you know, like more people will see it, stuff like that. So that'll definitely help out. And right below the video, I have merch and all that good stuff. So stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.